welcome to Goran Guitar. So, Rex, Orange County. This song is called Keep It Up. So this is a fun song, even if it sings about stress and being depressed and that we need to keep up. So that brings me to joy anyway, because this song is great. So great song from Rex, Orange County. So let's start first with the capo set here on the first fret. And we have 6 different chords to handle here. So let's start with those first. We have the G, so third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have the D, but with an F sharp in bass. So that is second on E. And with this finger, I usually mute the next string, which is the A there. So I put my finger and lean it on top of the A string, so that is muted. And then it goes open D, second G, third B, and open E. You can use even the third E sometimes if you wish. So it's up to you. Yeah, so that was the D with an F sharp in the bass. Then we have the E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then standard D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. So there you have the 6 chords. And before we go into the chord progression, we need to look at the strumming pattern. Very easy. Let's grab a G chord, that is the first chord. And it's about down, up, okay? On the second down, you try to emphasize this a little bit more, so you can kind of more chew on the strings or just incorporate a couple of strings on down, up before, down, up, and then on the second down, you try to incorporate many strings or all strings. So down, up, down, up, down, up. So when we have this strumming pattern, we will go through the different chords, and that will be kind of the same chord progression through the entire song, okay? So it's G 2 times, then the D F chord, the D F sharp 2 times, and then E minor 2 times, then the D 2 times, then C 2 times, then G 2 times, then A minor 7 2 times, and D 2 times. Alright, so that is the chord progression for this song. So we're gonna need to go over it. I'm gonna speak meanwhile we're playing. So G, G, G F, D F, E minor, D, D, C, C, G, G, A minor 7, and D, D. Alright, so that is how this song goes, and I can just tell you and take you through this song a bit quick. We have 2 rounds for the first 2 verses, and then comes the chorus. So the chorus starts in the words keep it up and go on, okay? So it's the same chord progression there, but for the first round of the chorus, we have the 2 rounds here for this chorus. The first round, you just do 1 down, like this. Same chords. then on the next round you just go strumming. And that is the chorus, and then comes next two verses here. That means two standard chord progressions, again with the same strumming and the chorus. And this time it will be strummed through the entire chorus here, so it's 2 rounds of strumming. And yeah, then after that, about 1 minute and 56 seconds into the song, comes a bridge part. That is just kind of an instrumental, some random notes, and we will not cover this on this channel here on this tutorial. So that is just an instrumental part, and right after that comes a third chorus, and that is 1 round of just 1 down for each chord of this chord progression, and then on the next 2 rounds, because this chorus goes in many rounds as afterwards. So this one is about 2 rounds of strumming after that, and then comes a final chorus with only 1 down, and these downs will be on the following chords: G, the D, F, E minor, D, C, D, and G. And that is how the song ends here. So basically, after this chord progression, there is not much to it except for a couple of rounds in the song when you just play 1 down for each chord. Otherwise, just go with this chord progression and you can easily strum it through the entire song if you wish. So, alright, this was Rex Orange County with a song called Keep It Up. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I hope that I will see you soon. I will try to keep it up, and I hope you follow me here on Gordon Guitar. So don't forget, play tuned.